This is 18 News at 6.
I don't believe a mask policy is going to be enough. I think we're going to have to talk about a vaccination policy.
New at 6, COVID cases are on the rise, and many counties are coming under pressure tonight from the state to implement another mask mandate. But the governor is saying we shouldn't stop there. Good evening, everyone. I'm Zach Wheeler.
And I'm Jordan Orkis. Thank you for joining us for 18 News at 6. The coronavirus pandemic taking center stage in New York tonight, as the governor stresses the need for not only another mask mandate, but a vaccination mandate as well. But
without his emergency executive powers to implement these mandates, the governor is urging the legislature and local counties to set stringent mandate policies, especially as the clock ticks down to the beginning of the school year.
Now we have team coverage tonight on the future of COVID mandates in New York State. 18 News reporter Tara Lynch tells us if and when we could be seeing these mandates in the southern tier, and our reporter Sarah Wilson has more on what we could be seeing in the classroom. Tara starts us off tonight live from the 18 News Satellite Center. Tara?
Good evening, Zach and Jordan. Businesses and local officials reacting to this news, but many saying that the changes have been confusing thus far, but they don't plan on making any changes of their own anytime soon.
Private businesses, I am asking them and suggesting to them go to vaccine-only admission.
Strong words from Governor Cuomo today, saying if things continue, masks could come back on and vaccines required. The governor considering vaccine mandates, which he has done for state employees. He encourages schools to do the same. Some legislators do not agree.
Do I support and encourage COVID vaccination? Yes, I do. I just don't think the legislature should be mandating vaccinations on the public.
I'm not for remasking everybody and shutting everything down again. I think it's a bad decision.
The CDC COVID tracker shows the change over the past month. Chemung, Steuben, Schuyler, and Bradford counties have jumped from low to moderate risk, but areas like Tompkins and Seneca counties already identified as a substantial risk. At most risk, local businesses who say they plan to stay the course until there's updated state guidance.
We believe it's too soon to do anything. There's nothing to do because there's no mandate out there. It's simply a change in the CDC mask guidance.
Well, I would definitely want to make sure that the customers felt comfortable, so whatever it took, I would do.
Counties preparing to mobilize as they have done several times before.
We should be higher in Chemung County. I think we're between 50 and 55%. We've got to do a better job.
We are, as always, like at every level of government, prepared to respond should we see cases increase.
A vaccine mandate like this would need to go through the state legislature. Remember, Governor Cuomo's emergency COVID powers ended earlier this year, so that leaves it up to our local leaders. But another thing we're keeping an eye on, our state of our schools. Governor Cuomo having some words for those school districts. Our 18 News reporter Sarah Wilson is in our newsroom this evening. Good evening, Sarah. What can you tell us about the state of our schools?